up, baddies? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Faith O. This is the Ramblings of Faith O. Give this video a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe, and leave some comments. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Ivy Park. I was able to get my hands on like crumbs of what was left of the collection. I did it through the Adidas website just because I cannot be bothered to look at any other website. I got stuff from like two of the collections. There was one where it was like a bunch of red stuff, and then I got the latest Ivy Park collection, which is the IC with the Gucci mane. Hey, quick little random tidbit. I kept seeing people being like, oh, Beyonce missed the opportunity to include Sweetie because, you know, she's Icy girl. And I was just like, no offense, when I think Icy, my brain automatically goes straight to Gucci mane, you know, burr. I mean, like, she's Beyonce, Giselle knows hyphen Carter. I think she'll be okay if she didn't have Miss Sweetie, aka Diamante. Don't know what her last name is, but I'm just like, she's Beyonce. Like, yeah, it would have been cool to have that, like, younger aspect, but I'm like, when you think Icy, everyone thinks Gucci mane. So I really like that she had him in the video. I definitely love the fact that Ivy Park has stepped up, because if you remember from her original collection, it was definitely giving me white girl who goes to yoga and then goes to brunch with her girlfriends, whereas now it's I feel like she's in her groove, she's in her element. I love the different colors, so let's just get into it because I feel like I'm just talking my ass off. From the first collection, that was all red. First of all, I was so shocked when it arrived because, like, you know, when you finally check out of Adidas during like a collection, it just be like order one through and you don't get your confirmation for like hours or to the next day. So I was like, I don't know if I got shit. But it comes in this little, ooh, Chile. I hope that wasn't my address. Ooh. I got some sports bras because I'm definitely looking to upgrade. Damn, this shit massive as fuck. This has been sitting in my closet for like months because I'm like, I'm gonna do an unboxing, I'm gonna do a try on. I'll definitely insert clips of me wearing them. But I mean, like, I know I got some big titties, but like, yo, does this not look like helmet? Wait, yeah, I think this might work. It might work. Like this, it looked like a bulletproof vest, if we be honest. I'll try to include some photos of it. And then the back crisscrosses, and it's got the Ivy Park. What size did I get it in? I'll include sizes if y'all care. I got it in a 2X. Never mind. I got it in 2X. That's why it looks like my fucking... like, I have big boobs. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and, like, downplay myself, but, like, goddamn. Shit is massive. I'm struggling because it's, like, it feels really soft. I like it. Whatever you call this material where it's like seamless and shit, this is my jam. I do remember there is a cutout in the front, but I'll include a clip of me wearing it. It has the little, anyway, that's cute. Adidas Ivy Park, and it was $65. Okay, it was cute. So that was the only thing that I was able to get my hands on during this drop of the red stuff. I like how they're color coordinated. I do think she's not adhering to like the seasons, which is fine because like when you're Beyonce, Giselle knows hyphen Carter, you can do whatever you fucking want to do. But this time, let's change my address on this fucking thing. Bigger box. I got two things. I'm always iffy about the sneakers just because I'm not a sneaker girl, so I feel like it'd be wasted on me. Okay, so I got another bra. I got the pink with the, like I told y'all, pink is my favorite color. We're gonna try it on and see if it fits. I'm trying to see what size I got. I got 1X, so hopefully this is also, again, another bulletproof vest, and it has Ivy Park in pink, and this was also $65. No, this was $70. Damn. Okay. $75. 70. Ooh, it's just $70. I don't know why I kept saying 75. Loki might be dyslexic, but I don't know. I got another class for the girls, which is gonna offer you more support, even though I haven't stepped in the gym in like a month. So I got pants. All right, I was a little iffy about these pants because I was like, I did not realize they were like Shirley, just like the furries. They might be going back. Let me be honest. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these furry ass pants. I got them in a size large, and they were $120. But for Beyonce, Giselle knows hyphen Carter, I do like them, but they're just not realistic. They're the cargo pants. I'll let you know how the fit is. But yeah, it has little pockets. Now I'm now I'm confused. I think I might keep them. I don't know. If y'all could convince me, and then it has a white stripe, and then it's white, and I'm like not a big fan of white because I can't keep it white. But man, this looking kind of cute. Got a little pocket, cargo pants, another pocket. I guess this is just, they feel nice. A little stripy stripe. Yeah, that was my Ivy Park collection. I'll be sure to include photos and or clips of me wearing this, but I don't know. Should I return this? It feels nice though. Like it is just like the little fuzzy stuff is like coming up in the air. But this is cute though. Like, do you think it's cute? Anyway, those were the 3 items I got from the Ivy Park collection. We'll see if I keep them. We'll see if I return them. $120 for some pants, Beyonce. I think this would be like if I went skiing, all the white guys on every dating app was like, "Do you want to go skiing with me? Do I look like I ski?" I'm done. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe. I hope you like the haul / review / first impressions. I love the collection. I just don't think they're realistic for the everyday person. Like, I have a friend who has a boutique and I love her and I love her clothes, but it's like I'm not an Instagram baddie in my everyday life. I'm a put some yoga pants, some leggings, and some like sweatpants type of girl, which is fine, but like I can dress it up. Like I can get glam. You know, I can serve you a little look, but it's just like my everyday life isn't Instagram baddie, which I feel like is what Ivy Park is now. Like it's a lot of, you know, either you're very active, which probably makes sense, or you're like someone who is an Instagram baddie who's flexing for the gram, and that's not me. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I have very aesthetic, cutesy photos. I don't leave my house. Is what I'm trying to say. So it's just like it's very hard to support and to buy things when it feels like a lot of things are geared towards just to look good in for a photo and not for like, oh, you can actually chill and relax in said item, in my humble opinion. But that's just me. So I'll catch y'all on the flip side. I'll leave all the links in this, if they're still available. I'll try to leave links, and I'll definitely include photos of what they actually look like on the model. And thank you for watching this video. Give a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side.